Two elites then towards the back end of the top 10, as you rightly informed, it was Weberski and Mackenzie Cresswell who struggled to make progress so far. Has Mackenzie Cresswell, he's trying to get himself inside the top 10, is inside the top 10. And look who's knocking at things, wanting to pass those Gerard Cheese. I don't think he's going to exactly jump out of the way.
No, Gerard Cheese also had some excellent pace in this race. Although saying that, Archie also is the fastest man on the circuit, the fastest that last time by. Yeah, the sharpest podium position. But we know that Tim Karchik, one of the fastest drivers in the championship, for sure, with his amazing run of front row qualifications in the previous few rounds, and also we know that he is absolutely not shy.
Race control message to what you were saying about track limits for car 31. That is Uga Chukwu in a 5-second time penalty. There is Hugo Schwarzer, still driving really, really well. The only problem is for him, if Sean Rashid falters and slows down slightly, that's from Arthur Ojon as he leads by nearly 3 seconds, desperate for his first podium, his first victory in GD3. Of course, he did join us back in the previous year. Remember, he was starting out with quite an impressive performance. He went up 7 positions in his first ever race, I think it was the first couple of laps.